Your videos are not dead. It's just that YouTube does not know they exist. But after learning this secret, my videos started getting a lot of views, and I mean my views started climbing so fast. If you've been posting videos and getting low views, it means that you're probably missing these steps that the YouTube algorithm is always looking for. After I learned this secret, I applied it to my videos, and immediately my videos started going viral. And that's so true. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do or how to make YouTube push your videos to a whole lot of people and start going viral here on YouTube. So if you've been posting, you are tired of getting low views, you are tired of being stuck at 100, 200 or 500 views, then this video is for you. Let's fix that. The first thing that you have to do is to hook viewers in the first 10 seconds. Yeah. For example, if you're doing a video about how to get subscribers fast, you should hook your viewers in the first 10 seconds by maybe asking a question. A question like, do you want to get subscribers fast here on YouTube? Or are you tired of being stuck at 100 subscribers? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get 100 subscribers each day. So a question like that or a strong statement like that will hook your viewers in the first 10 seconds, and that means they are going to be watching your videos longer, and this will trigger the YouTube algorithm to keep pushing your videos. And if the YouTube algorithm pushes your videos, it means that your views are gonna be increasing like crazy. The second thing is your thumbnail. You should remember that your thumbnail is the door to clicks. That is always what I tell you guys, that your thumbnail is the one which is going to make viewers click to your video. Don't make boring thumbnails. Like, your thumbnail should make me stop scrolling and decide to click your video. And so if you're not sparking any curiosity to your viewers, then they are just going to bypass your video and you're not going to get any views. And pick a situation like this. YouTube is recommending your videos to a whole lot of people, but they are not clicking your video because your thumbnail is boring. YouTube will sense that, oh, we are recommending this video to many people, but they are not clicking. So I think they will think that this video does not have any value to your viewers. So they will stop recommending it to people. So what I'm saying in that is that these things or these steps that I'm giving you are literally related, the title, the introduction, the thumbnail, the outro, all that, they are related. So make sure you watch the video till the end so you don't skip an important step. The third one is retention. Yeah, retention is how long viewers stay in your video watching, So to keep your viewers watching for longer time, please use B-rolls to entertain them, or you can even use entertaining effects and all that. That will make them stay for longer. And another one is, and by the way, if YouTube senses that your video is being watched at for longer time, they will increase the recommendation, the suggestion, and all that. That means more views for your channel. The fourth one is using keywords and in titles and description. I bet this one is missed by many and many small creators like myself. Using keywords in titles and also in your video description is very important, because what you've written in your title and description should match what people are searching for. For example, if people are searching for how to get YouTube subscribers fast, that you should include that in your title and your video description. For example, your title should read how to get subscribers fast. Of course, that is a searchable title. So include keywords that viewers are likely to search on YouTube, and that way your videos will going to be ranked when viewers are searching. So the fifth one is just don't post your videos and pray to God that, oh God, I have just posted a video, please make it go viral. That's funny, right? So after posting your video, as I told you in a previous video, ensure that you share your video to your Facebook, WhatsApp, share your link to your socials, and that attracts even more viewers. And that has helped me so much, because if I share my YouTube analytics right now, for example, in this video, you are going to see that most of my external viewers are coming from Facebook. And that is why I always tell you, after posting a video, copy the link and share it to your Facebook. That will even attract more viewers. I hope you understand what I mean. Yeah. And another thing is, what else? So we have just discussed about 7 secrets that will make YouTube push your videos. You know, guys, people think, or small creators like me think, that for YouTube to make your video go viral, you'll need like 100,000 subscribers and all that. But that's a lie. Personally, I got my first viral video when I had only 1,000 subscribers. Yes, you don't need 1,000,000 subscribers to go viral here on YouTube. So let me end this video by asking you a very, very simple question. Which of the tips that we have discussed, which one of the tips are you going to try first? Is it making clickable thumbnails? Is it making, catchy intros, or all that? Which tip are you going to try first? Let me know in the comment section. And if you're a small creator, let's say hello in the comment section and support each other.